Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Microsoft Copilot in 2025. Now, Copilot is built right into your Windows 11 and it can help you to write, summarize, search, and even control your system with simple commands. So let's walk through how you can get started with it and what you can use it for. So here on your Windows 11, you are going to see the Copilot icon over here in the bottom. You can also first of all click on this search icon and then you can search for the Copilot application. Now, once you come here in the Copilot application, it is going to look like a little sparkle icon on the taskbar besides the search bar. You can also press Windows plus C on your keyboard in order to open it instantly. Now a sidebar is going to be appear on the right hand side, and this is where the Copilot chat window is going to be opened in front of you. Now you can talk to your Copilot just like you do with ChatGPT. Over here you just have to start typing the prompt like turn on the dark mode, and Copilot is going to instantly switch your Windows theme. You can also ask it to take a screenshot or to open a settings, and it is going to show you all the controls in your PC directly without you needing to click through any kind of menus. Now, once you open this type of application in front of you, you can use it for writing the emails and creating the documents. So over here in this section, you can type this prompt like write a professional email to my manager about the project updates. And when you hit enter, Copilot is going to generate the full message that you can copy and you can use it in your MS Word file. You can also ask it to summarize the long text or fixing the grammar or rephrase the sentence right inside the Copilot panel. If you have Microsoft 365, you are going to see Copilot there too. Whenever you open Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, or Word, you can just basically give Copilot the command in those tools as well, and it is going to give you the output based on the command that you gave. So this way you can start using Microsoft Copilot on your PC very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.